Alright, here's a quick video on the Kama and the Tobiguchi that is going to be up on eBay. It should be up a little bit later on. I'm just going to post this video just so people can get an idea of what they look like in sort of real time instead of just pictures. We'll go over the dimensions real quick. Overall, about 14 1/4 inches. Handle is about 13 right up to the edge of the blade. It's a 1-inch round handle, double pinned with 4mm steel pins. Blade length is about 4 inches. It's 01 tool steel, hardened and tempered. And you can see what I mean about the black oxide discoloration. So I'm not too happy with it. My black oxide must be getting old, so not too happy, but I guess I have to deal with it for now. Darker stained handle. Looks a little bit darker than it actually is in real life. The matching Tobiguchi is the same length. I'll put them next to each other. It's maybe like a 1/16 of an inch longer, maybe. Maybe I don't have it lined up right, but the blade thicknesses are the same. I'm sorry, the width. Also 3/16 01 tool steel. It is hardened right here on the tip. And you can see what I mean about on this one with discoloration. Just didn't take that well. So this is also double pinned with 4mm steel pins. Each one of these, the blade does reach just shy, about an 1/8 inch above the split between the collar and the, and there's my cap, between the collar and the wood. Both oak handles. The fit on these, surprisingly, when I fit the blade into the locking collar, I put the locking collar on first onto the wood, and then I hammer the blade through the split. And I'll tell you, this is one of the, I'm kind of upset about the black oxide because this is one of the best fits I had on there. It was really nice. So it's a cool little combination of two matching weapons. I do like the Kama a lot, and I like the Tobiguchi a lot. I think it's a good matching set. Everything is coated in a clear lacquer to help protect from additional rust and or damage to the stain. So they're really nice in the hand. If anyone's wondering, if you want to turn, one of these into if you want to turn this into a kusarigama, this part of the metal right here is not hardened, so if you want to modify it after, if you get this, to attach a chain to this, or if you want to drill a hole through the bottom of each handle and connect a ring or a rope through here to make these into a, I guess, chain weapon, that is totally possible. I was thinking of drilling a hole here and here just in case, but I decided not to. I decided I'll leave that up to whoever wants these. If they want to drill a hole, they can. Like I said, this steel isn't hardened up in these corners, so you are able to drill through that. So that's really about it. Let me get a measurement of the Tobiguchi blade. Like I said, it is 3/16 of an inch thick. It's about 2 1/8 long. I did get all the Tobiguchis I make. I did have a chance to actually see some antique ones and measure them and hold them. So this is a very close representation of an original. A lot of the originals I saw, the blade was actually attached to the steel collar. It wasn't set in. That's how I normally make them, but to make this a matching set, I decided to go with, you know, the same kind of locking collar setup where it actually goes into the collar and is double pinned, just so it matches. So that's that. Weight, maybe less, maybe around a pound a piece. Tobiguchi's probably a little bit lighter. But two nice weapons. Like I said, these are probably my two favorite out of everything. I think having each one of these is a good, you know, one in one hand, one in the other. One's more of a piercing weapon, one's more of a slashing, cutting weapon, so you get the best of both worlds. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy, and good luck on the bidding. And there's my cat again, the fat cat.